Hi, it's Jill, the Tech Wise Mom, coming at you today to talk about location services. I'm going to talk specifically about the iPhone and the iPad it is applicable towards, because that's what I have. That's what I'm going to show you on today. I do know that Android does have location services. I think they call it something different, and of course it's in a different spot in the phone. So location services, what are they? You may use a GPS service in which you've selected, yes, you can learn my location. You may have a weather app that shows you the weather where you are, and you've checked yes. So most people know that the apps will ask for authorization for them to have your location services. What you may not know about is something called frequent locations. When I recently got my iPhone 6 Plus, I had to learn about frequent locations that is buried deep in the phone. I think it's pretty deep in there. I didn't ask for it. I didn't select it to be on. It just was there collecting my data. So I think everyone needs to know about this and make an educated decision whether they want it on or off. So I'm going to show you what Apple says about their frequent locations. The iPhone will keep track of places you have recently been, as well as how often and when you visited them, in order to learn places that are of significance to you. This data is kept solely on your device and won't be sent to Apple without your consent. It will be used to provide you with personalized services such as predictive traffic routing. Okay, so the key things that I stand out for me right here is of significance to you. Don't you already know yourself? I mean, really, you don't need them to have that information, right? And then I see without your consent. Anybody here read the terms and conditions that Apple sends you in their entirety? I mean, they're enormous, right? So, when you download new software or when you upgrade or update, your software for your mobile devices, who knows whether that's buried deep in there. So I did just want to point that out to you, exactly what they say. Okay, let's get to it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is on my phone. You're going to go into Settings. You're going to go into Privacy. You see Location Services are on. I do have some apps that I do like the location services on, such as the weather. Then you're going to find at the bottom, you're going to find System Services. Then you're going to find something down under there, which is frequent locations. Now that's 5 deep in. If this was turned on, what you would see here, of course I have mine off, you would have the dates, the places, and the times, the amount of time, an hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, where I've been at that location. That includes things such as your home, your work, places you take your children. I mean, who needs this information? Moms, I think about situations where, we have our purses lying around, or, a lot of even moms and dads put their phones down on the tables at restaurants. And, what if you turn and your phone was stolen and they were able to get into the phone? They've got valuable, important information about you and your family. Who knows what shady characters have gone in there. So I wanted you to learn about this. I wanted you to be able to turn this off or on and make an educated decision on your privacy for you and your family. So I hope that was valuable to you. Feel free to check me out at techwisemom.com, where I help us be more productive and more successful entrepreneurs by investigating technology to help us. And I am also a Vine IT advisor. So we are the first all-in-one suite of products available for home. Actually, you can check on Simplicity for Home. If you have a small to medium-sized business, Simplicity for Business, providing a true all-in-one solution for cybersecurity, protection, and 24 help desk. So, USA-based help desk. So, would love to help you out there. Give them a call. Let them know Jill sent you. And I hope that was valuable to you, and you can make a decision whether or not you want frequent locations on your phone. So, have a great day, and come back and visit me again. Bye.